National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Daviess County, Pike County, Greene County, northeastern Martin County, Orange County, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado near Washington, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Damage has been reported by spotters in Daviess and Martin County. This is a tornado emergency for northeastern Daviess County, Pike County, Greene County, northeastern Martin County, and Orange County. If you are in the path of this tornado, move to a safe place now. In addition, at Bloomfield, a second tornado was located by trained spotters at 6:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. Other locations in the warning, but are not limited to Washington, Petersburg, Linton, Bloomfield, Lubuti, Shoals, and Paoli. This tornado will cross Interstate 69 and Interstate 64. Your life is in immediate danger if you are in this storm. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Daviess, Pike, Greene, Martin, and Orange.